guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're well. Been a few weeks since I made a video, so apologies for that, but I have been busy to say the least, and it's not stuff that you really want me to film. But yeah, there's going to be a bit more of that to come, I'm afraid, as well, so I'm going to do some more shorts just to keep you entertained on the channel. But I sure do appreciate you sticking around, because I'm not going anywhere, but needed to get on with a bit of paint work here in this studio as well, so I'm really pleased now that this is finally finished. Got some pictures up behind. I haven't actually got the pictures that go in the frames, but it's just nice to get some of the things I was originally going to do done. Glossing's done in here because it's been a year since I did all the slat wall and all the, got it all like you've seen. And then I didn't get round to doing the glossing, because who the heck likes glossing? It's time consuming, and especially if you're not a painter. But yeah, I'm glad it's done now. It looks really good, so that's all good. There's a few more areas in this house though that the same needs to happen to, and that's why there won't be as many videos on the van leading up to Christmas. So what I've been up to, obviously you've just seen the wheels. I've just switched them over. So if you are new here, what's going on there is I have two different sets of wheels for that van. I have a Somerset, which is the silver ones you saw me taking off. Those are the Navis twin 5s in 20-inch. And I mean, there's no reason why they couldn't be winter wheels, to be fair. But I tend to just run that look through the summer months, so I've got the silver and the grey, and then in the winter I'll switch over to these Cades Hera 20-inch matte black wheels. They're on some dedicated winter tyres as well, so that's the purpose to the whole swap. We do find when the temps drop and road salt and all that kind of stuff, it's just a bit easier to maintain them. Plus, black wheels tend to look good dirty as well, whereas silver ones not really. I do get a lot of questions on the wheels, even though there's quite a lot of videos on this channel. I don't mind, it's all good. I'll keep bringing that up, so if you are new and you didn't see those videos, hopefully it all starts to make sense. But for those that do stick around, yeah, it's that time, hence the title. I will be doing some more stuff on the van soon, so I won't sort of drop anything right now, but it's mostly interior work. I probably haven't picked my moments because I don't really like working outside in the cold, but that's the only real time we're going to get to do that, because it's flying around a lot in the summer, so can never really do anything. And I'm looking to do something quite big in the back, and take on the dream cupboard and move it on to dream cupboard 2.0. But that's as much as I'll say. There is some Project H content coming out next. I have been promising. Yeah, I've shot the video. I've just got to sit down and edit it, so it won't be too long before you'll be seeing the update on the house. And also some big plans to do with the mod shop, because that all went very quiet, but that's all coming here real soon. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss those videos, and I'll be bringing those in the lead up to Christmas, in amongst other videos, and plenty of shorts. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram and you fancy going over to that, because I do post quite a lot of the reels, etc., then follow me at T6 Project. And yeah, you'll find some content on there, which some of it makes it to YouTube, some of it doesn't, so it's another variety of van content. Yeah, I do get asked quite a lot as well about brakes. So I have said in former videos, but once again, I think I've really pushed the test through now, because there's got to be about 12. I lose track of time, but we've been running those for at least 12 months, I think, and they're really, really good. So my vote is that they do get my thumbs up. If you're interested in upgrading your brakes from a performance point of view, or just from maybe the lower dust content on your wheels, if that really bugs you, because the T32 that I've got, the standard pads were very soft and left their brake dust behind immediately. These are not actually as bad, so you do get a better You haven't just washed the van, drive 5 miles up the road and you've got to wash it again. Got a bit of duration between. Yeah, so that's going to be a wrap for this video. Nice and short. Thanks very much for watching. Do let me know in the comments what you thought, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next one real soon.